here at the ReStore in Bellingham, Washington. Looks like we got a Westinghouse. There's a table in here. Let's go up to 2. Now it's got door disease. There it goes. There's no indicator. This thing's kind of crappy. Go down to 1. Look at this, we got a big table in here. This is weird. Just your basic Westinghouse cab. We'll go for more. Jesus, what was that? Alright, listen to this motor. It goes above the floor and then sinks down. Oh, jeez. What the heck? That was weird. Oh, oh, I thought I just got stuck in here. This thing is really bad. Yeah, I'm getting out of this thing. Now watch this, the door's gonna get stuck open. Oh, no, maybe not. There it goes. And that's it.